How does the Ghost Immobiliser work?
Okay, so what we do is we create a pin sequence using the existing buttons. Our system blocks the car from starting or from moving, and then you need to enter your pin sequence to start the vehicle. Would you like to have a go?
So hang on, so it's on this car now?
Yes.
So if I get in, I can try and start your car?
Yeah, would you like the keys?
I would love the keys. I want to give this a go.
Here we go.
Right, so this is the keys to your car. I'm going to go in there and I'm just going to try and start it.
Yes.
And you're confident I'm not going to be able to drive this car away?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Okay, so if I've started the car, and you're telling me I can't drive off?
No, try selecting a gear. Car shuts down. Now try starting it again.
Okay, so if that's in park, and I'm pressing the start. I'm pressing the start button and nothing's happening.
Ghost Immobilisers cost about £500 and you choose your own unique combination of buttons for the code. Thieves do not know they are fitted on the vehicle until they try to steal it.
On here, the sequence is the limit button twice and the resume button twice.
So I press that,
limit,
and that twice.
Yes. You'll get a double flash to confirm that you've entered it correctly. Now start the vehicle.
So if I press it again, it started, and then this time
you can select the gear and drive away.
Put it in gear. You think I'm going to be able to drive off?
There you go.
Would you look at that? That's impressive.